off Sydney Heads at break of day. Gray black sea and a sky gone sleigh, 30 knots from the southwest quarter. Reef her down, boys, or we feed the water. Hot on the nose to Hobart town. Heave ho, spraying our teeth, we will not drown. Heave ho, if the mast should groan and the helmsman curse, we'll drive this boat through the screaming surf. Hot on the nose to Hobart town. Hey! Heave ho, hey! Heave ho. Bow digs deep and the cockpit's flooding. Cold wave cracks like a fist to the ribs. Salt in our beards and our fingers burning. Trim that sheet, lads, keep her turning. Hey, hey. Long black line where the storm clouds gather. Compass shakes but the course holds true. Gabo Island off the starboard quarter. White light cuts through the rolling water. The nose to Hobart town. Oh, hey, hard on the nose to Hobart town. Heave ho, spraying our teeth, we will not drown. Heave ho, if the mast should groan and the helmsman curse, we'll drive this boat through the screaming surf. Hard on the nose to Hobart town. Hey! Heave ho, hey! Outside keeps watch on the dead, on every yawn that the old hand said. But we're still here and we still fight, chasing that glow through the broken night. Hard on the nose to Hobart town. Heave ho, spraying our teeth, we will not drown. Heave ho, if the mast should groan and the helmsman curse, we'll drive this boat through the screaming surf. Hard on the nose to Hobart town. Hey!